Hello everyone, I'm Vidip Ghosh. I'm a full stack developer building using React.js, Node.js, MongoDB, Express.js as well as I also build around generative AI LangChain. So today I would like to represent my personal projects or my best projects which I have built till now. So here we go.
So let's introduce Stack Search. It is an AI-powered search assistant that lets developers query about the framework documentation using the natural language. I have implemented using it the retrieval augmented generation, where I have stored the data of around 20 documentations, and many more will be added in the near future. And I have after storing those data, I have retrieved those data, and then after retrieving, the second step is to divide those data into the chunks, and after chunking, then I will be storing those chunks into the embeddings, convert those chunks into the embeddings, and after embedding, the last task would be to actually store those embeddings into the vector store. And once the user searches for a query related to the respective documentation, like in case of fast, if I want to write a post request route using fast API, then I would then LLM searches for the response, and using the similarity search in that vector store, and then gives the relevant responses. And if it does not know any responses, then instead of model would not hallucinate. Instead, it would say not in docs. This is where RAG comes into picture. uh, Moving on to next. uh, so yeah, this is how RAG works. That is, user based on the similarity search, we get the responses from the vector store. And also I have used MongoDB for chat persistence, for storing chats. Now coming on to MergeGuard. It is a proactive CLI tool which keeps track of both remote repository as well as the local repository. And the main task is to actually detect the conflict uh, before I take a git pull. So after I ran the command mergeguard -w, so it shows me that currently I have changes only in the local, but there are no remote changes. But now there is a case where there are lots of remote changes. So before taking a git pull, I get a alert that these are the files which needs to be taken, which are not currently present in local, but are present in remote. So these in this way, this saves lots of time of developer. and 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 I have used Olama AI, which analyzes the conflict, whether it's low, medium, or high. And as soon as I ran the git pull command, it would show me that our repository is now clean and up to date. Now the case is when there is a change in the same file in both remote and as well as in the local. So I should get medium alert, since the change took place in the remote uh, same file as well as on the same line. Yeah, this is what I was expecting. So this is how like I work. And moving on
First
to
off, we're looking at
Voice
the GitHub
Vault. So
repository
actually
for
think of it
VoiceVault.
as a 11 labs
The
where
page is filled with various
we used to
sections,
record
each
our voice,
highlighting
and
different aspects of the
we
project,
used to record our
including
voice
uploading a
and
voice
user can
dataset,
use it, other
training an
users can
in-chain
use it,
model,
but the
minting on
drawback is
chain, and earning
the
per use.
users creators
There's
don't
also a
get
section for
reward
identity
based on
verification where you can
whenever they
start
use
creating
our
your identity
anyone's
or view
voice. So
documentation.
this
Once
is
the
it,
wallet
like
is
we used
connected, the web
it.
page changes back to the
So the
VoiceVault
main
app
purpose of
interface,
blockchain is like
showcasing
we
two
can
main functionalities:
uh, give
text to
rewards to the
speech,
creators,
TTS, and clone
and
your
creators
voice.
would be rewarded
For
for
TTS,
using their
there's
own
a text
speech.
box labeled Type your
like
text here, followed
whenever
by a red
someone
button
uses
labeled Generate Speech.
his or her
Under Clone
speech.
Your Voice, there are two buttons.
So it's
Aptos
like
is a
monetizing the
high-performance Layer
11
1
labs.
blockchain built with a focus on speed, safety, and
So
upgradability. It was launched in
this is how like
2022 by
it
Aptos
works.
Labs,
Thank
founded
you.
by former Meta, Facebook engineers who previously worked on the Diem blockchain and the Move programming language.